Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel Randomly Yours. Today, I'm unboxing and setting up the brand new Apple Watch Series 11 42mm GPS edition. Here's the outer packaging, clean, minimal, and very Apple-like. As I peel off the wrap and lift the lid, the first thing we see is the watch itself. It comes protected with a soft covering. Underneath, we have the band, the magnetic charging cable, and the paperwork. Everything is neatly packed, simple and premium. The band feels sturdy, and Apple bands are interchangeable, so older 42mm bands still work here. Now let's take a closer look at the watch. This is the 42mm aluminum model, compact, lightweight, and comfortable for smaller wrists. It has a smooth curved design, a digital crown, and the familiar side button. On the back are the sensors for heart rate, temperature, and other health features. Apple doesn't include a power adapter anymore, so you'll need your own USB-C charger. Next, we pair it with the iPhone using the Watch app. The pairing animation pops up, and you simply align the iPhone's camera with the watch screen. My first impressions? The build feels premium, and the extra scratch resistance is reassuring. Battery life is definitely better, and fast charging makes a big difference, especially with new features like hypertension alerts and sleep scoring. Performance is snappy and reliable. Thank you for watching this unboxing and setup of the Apple Watch Series 11. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Randomly Yours. See you in the next one.